Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your PSP account. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser and in the top section, that is your URL section, type down PSP login and enter it after you're done. And after that, you need to click on the first option that says school login. And here we could see the login panel over here. You need to type down your PSP code. But if you have any language problem, then on the top right corner over here, we could see the language selection. You can prefer whichever you are comfortable with. And after that, type down your PSP code, your password as well, and the captcha that is over here. Simply type down the number and the symbol and the alphabet. And after you're done, you can click on the login option and then you'll be successfully logged into your PSP account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.